Taekwondo, a neighborhood of Jakarta, Indonesia, flooded again this week, which raises global attention for climate change.
Aja udah 2 kali gitu bang, minggu ini gitu. Kalau setahun ya bisa lebih dari 100-200 kali.
People tend to take flooding in a stride, but almost 500,000 people lost their homes in the flood in the past few years. The city is actually thinking. Jakarta needs better ways to disseminate information to keep the water from overflowing.
An awareness bell will ring here, hopefully a little bit earlier, and we can use that information for the rest of the world.
However, Jakarta is not the only place which suffered from global warming, but also large parts of Asia, like Nepal.
हामी यहाँ अब खाला बस्ती हो अनि खाला पिक यसो हेर्दाखेरि खाला पिक टेक्निकली रहेछ त्यहाँ मैले देखेको चाहिँ अब युम्जो लेक एकदम खतरा छ.
Several talks are held in order to solve the problem, but the result seems not as expected. Now I'm standing outside the conference hall in Poland. This year, UN Climate Change Conference is held here. Negotiation between countries on how to cooperate on this issue is still in process.
If we go with the spirit of the lack of urgency that we see in these talks, we are heading for another disaster in Paris in 2015, and we need to avert that at all costs.
UN climate conference held this week in Poland have been bogged down by disputes on how to help finance poor nations to develop economies in a cleaner way than developed countries did.